Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting a direct Ethernet link. First, pick the path. Modem to Ps4 if your modem supports multiple devices, or PC to Ps4 using internet connection sharing. Inspect the cable and Ps4 port for bent pins, and use Cat5e/6 for stable 100 Mbps or higher. Power on both devices and open the Ps4 settings network to note default options. Once done, disable Wi-Fi on the Ps4 to force the wired interface to appear. This shortens troubleshooting later. Now make the network talk to itself. If using a modem, set the Ps4 to obtain an IP automatically, DHCP, or input your ISP-provided static address, gateway, and DNS. If connecting through a PC, enable internet connection sharing on the PC's active interface or bridge connections so the Ps4 receives an IP and NAT. Configure MTU to 1500 unless your ISP requires otherwise. Make sure the PC's firewall allows game traffic. Otherwise, the Ps4 finish by running the Ps4 test internet connection. Confirm IP, gateway, and NAT type. If you see no internet, reboot the modem, PC, and Ps4 in that order, then replace the cable. Physical faults are common. Make sure DNS is valid. Try 8. 8. 8. 8 if lookups fail. If you get strict or double NAT, move the Ps4 behind the single device performing NAT or enable bridge mode on your modem. One key tip: if speeds are low, temporarily connect to a different device to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.